Hello everyone! So in this video I will tell you the reason I like to have my Lordhair system. The reason is simple. It is because I look better. I really look better when I am wearing my Lordhair system. So I will show you what do I do when I have a brand new Lordhair system. First I shave here my forehead a little bit so the glue can stick better here on my skin. Second, I measure from here to here. After I measure here, I measure the hair system from here to here. If this part here is too long, I cut it. I cut it here and take the excess away. So now this size here is perfect matching with this size here. Then I put this glue here, Ghost Bond. I like this glue because this glue do not melt at the California heat. Very hot here. So once I put the glue here, I stick this silicone area here on my forehead, and then I just comb back and style it. You will see the results. I'm now putting the glue. With this, I just spread the glue better here. See? Don't need too much glue. And then I stick this part here on my forehead. So this is the final result. I'm about to go out and enjoy summer California with my beautiful natural looking hair, and I did the transformation in my house by myself, and I'm not a professional hairstylist, so it was easy. Wow, look great. Thank you, Lordhair. Good job.